Part 7. Front compartment wiring connections. Horn wire, headlight wire, turn signal wire, wiper wire, converter wire. Step 1. Connect headlight and turn signal wires. The headlight wiring consists of two symmetrical cables, each with two identical plugs. The turn signal wiring is visually similar and also symmetrical. Simply match and connect the plugs to complete the setup. Step 2. Connect the horn wire. The horn wire consists of two flat metal connectors. It does not require polarity matching. Just insert both connectors into their corresponding sockets. Step 3. Connect the wiper wire. The wiper wire is a long cable with a slanted plug, clearly longer than other wires. The connector has a unique shape and cannot be inserted incorrectly. It will be connected later during the wiper installation. Step 4. Connect the converter wire. The converter wire has a triangular tower-shaped plug with an anti-reverse design. It can only be inserted in the correct orientation. This wire is located in the front compartment. Ensure it is fully plugged in. Additional note: all of the above wires were routed into position when the main harness was laid out. At this stage, the major wiring in the front compartment, horn, headlights, turn signals, wiper, and converter, has been prepared and is ready for connection.